welcome to Arm Wraps. My name is Randy Miller, and what you see in here is actually a stainless steel fridge wrap, or a fridge, and I'm going to wrap it in a red. And so we're going to use Avery vinyl on this one, but I'm going to show you the steps that what I go through is to wrap this. We just need to clean this real good around the edges and everything. Also take these handles off, and the Icemaker is perfectly almost flat, but I'm going to wrap it into the crevices right here, so make it nice and tight. But other than that, I think that's it right there. It's going to make it real simple. I got the tools I'm going to be using is I'm going to use the yellow tools, a bodyguard, and just what it does, it just cuts the paper or the backing. I'm going to show you that little technique too. Measuring tape, you need measuring tape, so you know how far you want to measure, and then cut the vinyl. Also the tool for the cutting, and it's all Teflon, or the blade is from Yellow Tools and everything. So it's really nice tools and to use if you go to Yellow Tools and everything. So let's kind of get this started, and we're gonna enjoy the video. If you got any comments or questions, comment down below. And if you want to see more stuff, you go to armwraps.com website, and you can see a lot more designs and fun things that we do on refrigerators and door wraps and mini fridges and all kinds of stuff. So let's get to it.